welcome back to my channel. It's Tiffany, and so today I'm going to be doing a video of popular ideas for your videos that you want to do for if you're a new YouTuber and you're a small YouTuber. I wrote some stuff down that I saw, I would look up online. Let's get started on this video. I don't know why I'm looking this way like this.
So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
Okay, the first one I would say reaction videos. They are really great to do, and it'd be so funny when you look at reaction videos. So funny. And the next one is challenge videos. Challenge videos are really great to do too. I did some challenge videos. I did one with my mom. With the one you had the headsets on and you have to like whisper. You had to read the person's lip and you had to have it on your ear. Do like a top. I wrote it down, trying to you want to talk about like a TV show moment or favorite show, anything that they probably say that with that. Just think of something that you see that your favorite artist or something that you want to talk about, or a TV show or sport or anything that is about that kind of connected with your channel. Do a shout out video, like a shout out to a YouTuber or something. Subscribe to their channel too. I'm going to do another shout out video or some more channels for some more small YouTubers soon. I'm going to do it during this month because it will help other YouTubers that are starting off and help. Especially, I would say make sure you check out their videos before, if you going to subscribe to the channel. Make sure if their channels is really good, you think they are really good, because I think it's better to do like that to make sure to know if their content is really good. Do like advice and tips. I love advice and tips videos. They are really great to kind of give people advice on things like of a makeup or anything about relationships, about being single, and soon I'm going to do that on my channel too. And anything that gives people advice on like life hacks, you could do that too with that. That's kind of with comparing with advice. Ask your subscribers, like ask you with what videos you need to do to help your content, and they will give you advice on your channel, and they will like just ask your subscribers on every video. It's for help, and viewers, any viewers that hasn't subscribed to you, just ask them and they will like give you what you need to do to help your channel. Do like what's on your phone, like what's on your iPad. I use this if you want to show your Android phone on that you have, and you want to show that this app that I use. I can't think of the name of the app. It's going to be in the description box. The name of the app is going to be on the screen in the description box. It's going to be in the description box so that y'all can know that it's down there, and that's the app I use on my Android phone. And like show what's on your phone and what you have, what apps you use and stuff, especially for your channel and everything. Share your screen if you want to share your screen. I don't know why I put this on here. It's the same thing too. I already said it. They are really great to help your channel too, help you grow it, and people would love that stuff because they love seeing people that has on there. And then I think they do it on your laptop too. You could do on your PC laptop too. I don't know what app they use. Like show up your favorite collections that you have, up like nail polish if you're a girl, or if you're a guy, shoes. Favorite collections of shoes. They're really great because a lot of people got a lot of shoes. If you do, I don't have collections of shoes. But you can like show that kind of stuff too for your channel. Show people of your collections that you have, but don't show too much. Favorite song playlist. If you like, your music playlist, you can show that too of your favorite music that you love. Spotify, I kind of love using that. I love using often if I do to pay for, because you have to pay for it for that $9.99. You can check out my playlist of my Spotify, so they be in the description box of that. If you love art and craft and DIY, I love that kind of stuff. I just don't have the things I have in my home. I have some stuff, but I love DIYs. I love DIYs ever since I was a kid, and I always want to get into a lot of stuff to do. I mean, on your channel, if you're into DIYs and you want to keep doing that stuff, you can, because they are really great. I just never had a chance to do that yet, and that's why I want putting my content on my channel. I still want to put things like that on my channel, not just makeup and fashion. I want to get into DIYs, a lot of different things that helps my content too. So comedy sketches, favorite thing you love to do, you want to just do that on your channel, you could do that. Just make it really fun, excited channel, because some people might don't want a channel that make it a video boring. Make it really funny, so people will come back to your channel. 13, morning and night routines. Morning and night routines are good too. I love doing. I still love to do it. I don't do it often. I don't do it like every month. I might do it, probably do it for holidays or things like if I feel like it. You could do it sometimes you feel like it, but they are really great. They just make it really fun. Like I say, make it fun, but make it a real morning and night routine. Don't make it kind of like a fake kind of morning and night routine. Make it a real one, because with this stuff going on YouTube changing, make it a real kind of pranks. I've been seeing a lot of people doing pranks on YouTube. Oh Lord. One day I might try that on my channel. I might probably do a prank thing on my channel. But if I do, I might probably do that one day. I might not do it. Number 15, vlogging. Vlogging, I already know. If you don't want to do it often, like every day, you could do like a day in my life or week in my life. They are great to do. You want to do a vlogging? If you want to just put the whole thing in a vlog or something like that from all that week. But if you don't want to do like a daily vlog, you don't necessarily have to do a daily vlog, because that's kind of like a lot of things you have to do daily vlog. You could just do it like close to get after. Drawing, or you could do a drawing, like a challenge drawing. So I'm kind of one day I'm going to do that on my channel, and I'm going to show you some of my designs that I'm going to draw of something that I think of, some of a season or something, and I really hope I do good. And I hope that y'all like it. So drawings are good too if you are really good at drawing and you love art. 17, play games. If you into like video games, they are really great. You could do that on your channel for like playing video games. If you just into all video games, you could do that on your channel. When just do video games. You could do video games often on there, but don't do it like. You could do it sometimes. You're unpopular or populars or something. Some people, because I know people, a lot of YouTubers been doing that. Or people like unpopular something or anything, or food. You could talk about that, or about somebody like, I think, a YouTuber or a movie or anything that's something that's unpopular that's in right now. Team collab. Do some collabs. Collabs are so great to do today. Get back into that, doing that, and I'm supposed to do a collab doing this week. I mean, not this week, I mean like next week. I'm great to do that too. Collabs are great to help your channel, and good collab. I know that if y'all like not in the same state or area, you could do it online and like research on their channel, and so you could get to know who their channel is, and you kind of if y'all got the same comparing something, that's really. Face your fear. I think on here it's like something you face your fear or something in life, like a snake or a spider or anything that, because there's like a show called Face Your Fear. There's a show, but they kind of got like a response. You could do like a post a respond video of like some of your subscribers, if a YouTuber wants you to do this video, and respond it and just do that. And that will like help with that. I know that some hasn't had none that much yet. I hope I'm doing this room tour. Do like a room tour in your home. So if you are doing a video in your room or something, do a room tour of your room. And this is like, you say this is your room. I haven't did it on my channel because I know sometimes my room is not that really good, and this room is kind of small, so it's not that really great. Do a photo collage of your life or anything or a photo that you took or something. They are, I think some people hasn't do that on channel on videos, but you could do that too. This is just gonna be the last one because I think I didn't put 25. I think I put like 24. Okay, guess a cheap or like expensive item. And right now, because it's now the holidays and stuff going on right now, cheap and specific guess, like you could guess. I'm gonna do that too on my channel, and I'm gonna do that too and guess some items that I don't know what I could guess. Like and comment and subscribe and press the bell and notification so you don't miss out on none of my videos. Hashtag, please put hashtag, because I could do a shout out and feature you in my videos. If y'all don't do that, I'm not gonna feature you in my videos. I might just do a video of a shout out video and do like that. But so don't forget to comment and subscribe and press the bell. But I'll see y'all doing on my next video, and see ya.